In a world that often feels chaotic and overwhelming, where the noise of doubt and failure threatens to drown out the whisper of our true potential, the teachings of Earl Nightingale emerge like a guiding star in the dark, the beacon that invites you to unlock the power that lies within. Nightingale, a pioneer of personal development and motivational thought, understood the profound connection between our thoughts and our reality. He spent much of his life illuminating the path of self-discovery and empowerment. With a voice that resonates through time, he speaks to the heart of the matter, that you are indeed the architect of your destiny, the captain of your ship, and the dreams that dance in your mind are not mere fantasies, but blueprints waiting for your determination to bring them into existence. Each moment, you stand at a crossroads. You can either let the relentless tide of external circumstances dictate your journey, or take a bold leap into the landscapes of your imagination. Imagine a life where you harness your thoughts, shape your beliefs, and turn visions into vivid reality. With every heartbeat, there's a choice to be made: to let the world tell you who you are, or to declare, with unyielding certainty, who you will become. This transformative power is yours. It lies in the belief that your inner strength must be stronger than the weight of any outside influence, a steadfast conviction that will propel you beyond limitations and into the realm of extraordinary possibilities. When you embrace this truth, every challenge becomes an opportunity, every setback a stepping stone, and every dream a promise waiting to be fulfilled. So pause for a moment, breathe deeply, and reflect. What if your life's greatest adventure is merely a decision away? In this journey of self-discovery, it's essential to understand that your mindset is the lens through which you view the world. Imagine wearing glasses tinted by your beliefs, fears, and hopes. If those lenses are clouded with negativity, every opportunity may appear daunting, and every challenge feels insurmountable. But what if you could change those lenses? What if you could polish them until they sparkled with clarity and possibility? It begins with a simple yet profound shift: the decision to adopt a growth mindset. This means seeing challenges not as barriers, but as vital stepping stones on your path to greatness. When you embrace a growth mindset, you recognize that every experience, good or bad, teaches you something valuable. Even failures become rich lessons crucial to your evolution. View your circumstances through this empowering perspective, and you'll find the strength to tackle obstacles head-on. Remember that even the most successful people faced setbacks along their journeys. What set them apart was their unwavering belief in their potential to grow, adapt, and overcome. So as you navigate your own path, ask yourself, how can I reframe my thoughts today? How can I turn adversity into fuel for my fire? Each positive thought you nurture can only multiply, propelling you closer to the life you envision. This transformative power lies within your choices, waiting patiently for you to seize it. Make the decision to thrive, and let your journey unfold in ways you never imagined. As you embark on this transformative journey, it's vital to recognize the significance of your environment and the people you surround yourself with. Your surroundings act like a sponge, soaking up the energy, attitudes, and beliefs that shape you. Imagine if you were to carefully select the individuals in your life, choosing those who inspire and uplift you, rather than those who drain your enthusiasm. This simple shift can have a profound impact on your mindset and motivation. Consider the powerful idea of a support network. This group can be family, friends, colleagues, or mentors who encourage your growth and celebrate your successes. When you're surrounded by those who are aligned with positivity and ambition, it becomes easier to see yourself in that light as well. You start to feel that it's not just okay to chase your dreams, but that it's essential. Engagement with this supportive circle can ignite your passion and fuel your determination. Whether it's a friend who checks in on you or a mentor who shares wisdom from their own journey, these connections help ease the path. Yet, it's equally important to recognize those who may hold you back. It's not about cutting ties, but about being mindful of how different relationships influence your mindset. Cultivating a community that reflects your aspirations invites growth, innovation, and success into your life, giving you that extra boost when faced with challenges. So seek out those who light the fire within you and watch how your horizons expand. As you walk this path of transformation, it's crucial to acknowledge the power of your habits, those small, seemingly mundane actions that determine the trajectory of your life. Your daily routines create the foundation of your reality, acting as the building blocks for your future. Picture your habits as the brushstrokes on the canvas of your existence. Each stroke contributes to the larger picture of who you are and who you aspire to be. To craft a masterpiece, you must be intentional with every choice you make. Begin by identifying the habits that uplift you and those that hinder your growth. Are your mornings filled with positivity and purpose? Or do you find yourself scrolling through social media, consuming negativity before the day even begins? Small shifts can create ripples of change. Replace mindless scrolling with moments of gratitude. Start a journal and jot down 3 things you're thankful for each day. This simple act can elevate your mood and spark joy in unexpected ways. Now, consider the habits that propel you toward your goals. Perhaps dedicating just 15 minutes each day to reading a book that inspires you or practicing a skill you wish to master can make a significant difference. Each time you invest in yourself, your confidence grows and your dreams inch closer to reality. Remember, success is not an overnight phenomenon. It is a culmination of consistent, positive habits that build upon each other, like a sturdy staircase leading you to new heights. Seize the opportunity to cultivate habits that align with your true potential and watch your life flourish. As you journey deeper into the realm of self-discovery, it's essential to recognize the transformative power of setting clear intentions. Intentions are like a compass that guides you through life's twists and turns. They provide direction and clarity amidst the chaos. Imagine standing at the edge of a vast ocean, each wave representing opportunities and challenges. With your intentions set, you can navigate those waves with purpose, steering your ship toward your chosen destination. Start by taking a moment to envision what you truly desire. What does success look like for you? Is it a fulfilling career, deep connections, or a vibrant health journey? Write down your intentions as if they are already part of your reality. This simple yet powerful act triggers a shift in your subconscious mind, aligning your thoughts and actions with your desired outcomes. It's like planting seeds in a garden. With consistent nurturing, those seeds will blossom into a beautiful reality. Keep in mind that the universe responds to your energy. When you articulate your intentions with passion and conviction, the world conspires to support you. Each day, revisit your intentions, Let them resonate in your mind and heart as you make choices and take actions that bring you closer to your dreams. By embodying your intentions, you'll attract the right opportunities and relationships into your life, creating a vibrant tapestry of experiences that reflect your deepest desires. This is your opportunity to harness the magic of intention and set forth on a path brimming with possibility. As you continue your journey, it's vital to acknowledge the power of resilience, the inner strength that enables you to rise, adapt, and thrive in the face of adversity. Picture a sturdy tree swaying in the wind. Though it bends and twists, it does not break. This metaphor encapsulates the essence of resilience, the ability to withstand life's storms while remaining rooted in your purpose. Resilience isn't just about enduring hardships. It's about growing stronger through them, emerging with newfound wisdom and perspective. Embrace challenges as opportunities to cultivate this resilience. When life throws curveballs, instead of feeling defeated, ask yourself, what can I learn from this experience? Shift your focus from the setback to the lessons nestled within it. Consider the stories of those who faced significant adversity but forged ahead, driven by their unyielding spirit. Their journeys remind us that obstacles often serve as the raw material from which dreams are crafted. Nurturing your resilience also involves self-care. Fuel your body and mind with positivity. Indulge in activities that recharge your spirit, whether it's reading, jogging in the fresh air, or practicing mindfulness. Surround yourself with affirmations that reinforce your tenacity, reminding you of your ability to bounce back. Each time you remind yourself of your strength, you cultivate a foundation of resilience that can weather any storm. So the next time you face a challenge, stand tall like that tree, knowing that you have the power to flourish and thrive regardless of the winds that may blow. As you dive deeper into the heart of this journey, remember that every great accomplishment begins with a single step, an idea brought forth into action. It's easy to get lost in the vast sea of dreams, passions, and aspirations. But the key to unlocking your potential lies in taking immediate, tangible steps toward those goals. Each small act of courage can ignite lasting change. Think of every day as an opportunity to build momentum. Each positive choice you make is a brick laid in the foundation of your success. Start by creating a to-do list that reflects not only your daily responsibilities, but also those ambitions you've tucked away. Break larger goals into manageable tasks and celebrate each completion, no matter how minor it may seem. This practice not only keeps your focus sharp, but also amplifies your sense of achievement, fueling your desire to push further. Imagine basking in the thrill of progress. Each tick on the list can be a mini celebration, a nod to your growing determination. Also, consider seeking inspiration from stories of individuals who forged their paths. Learn from their journeys, absorb their lessons, and adapt their strategies to suit your life. Remember, the map to success is not a straight line. It winds, curves, and sometimes takes detours. But with your eyes on the prize, every twist and turn can lead to newfound clarity and opportunity. Embrace the adventure ahead with open arms, and watch as each small step unfolds a world brimming with possibilities. In the heart of your journey lies a treasure waiting to be unearthed: the extraordinary power of gratitude. This simple yet profound practice can transform not only your perspective, but your entire life. Envision starting each day with a grateful heart, recognizing the abundance that surrounds you, even in the smallest details. Gratitude acts as a powerful magnet, drawing more of what you appreciate into your life. When you take the time to acknowledge the people, experiences, and blessings in your world, you shift your focus from what you lack to the richness of what you have. Begin each morning by taking a moment to reflect on what you're thankful for. It might be the warmth of the sun, the laughter of a friend, or the delicious aroma of your morning coffee. Jotting these thoughts down in a gratitude journal can amplify their impact, connecting you to the positive energy they radiate. As you practice gratitude, you'll notice a ripple effect. Your mood brightens, relationships deepen, and opportunities seem to blossom all around you. Even during challenging times, gratitude serves as a powerful anchor. Acknowledging the lessons hidden within adversity allows you to navigate life's storms with grace. Instead of succumbing to negativity, you'll find strength in your ability to appreciate growth, resilience, and the beauty of the journey. Embrace gratitude as a daily ritual and watch how it elevates your life, shifting your mindset to one of infinite possibilities. The more you cultivate this practice, the more vibrant your life experiences will become. As you stand at the threshold of your transformed journey, take a moment to appreciate how far you've come. Each thought you've nurtured, every habit you've cultivated, and all the intentions you've set have woven together to create a new tapestry of possibilities. Remember, the power to shape your life lies always within your hands. You've learned to embrace gratitude, resilience, and the magic of a growth mindset, tools that can help you conquer mountains and sail through storms. Now, picture the road ahead. It stretches wide, brimming with uncharted territories and adventures waiting to unfold. This is your invitation to carry this renewed spirit into every corner of your life. So as you step forward, share this journey with others. By vocalizing your experiences and insights, you inspire those around you to embark on their own transformative paths. Don't keep this treasure to yourself. If you found value in these words, share them with your friends, family, or even on social media. Invite them to join this journey of exploration and growth. When you subscribe to our channel, you become part of a thriving community committed to uplift and empower one another. Let's spread the energy that sparks change. Together, we can illuminate the world with our potential. Keep striving, keep dreaming, and always remember that the adventure of life is just beginning. Now go forth and chase those dreams. Horizons are waiting, and amazing things are just around the corner.